Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another combat sports product review. Today I'm going to be reviewing these. I have both of them, but I'm just going to be using this one again as an example. This is the RDX F6 Kara MMA Shin Instep Shinguards. So, I got the website up here. These, just like the RDX T15 Noir sparring gloves. By the way, if you haven't seen my review of these, go and check it. It will be on my channel. These are made of the same thing, the Maya hide, which seems to be RDX's speciality, the convex leather skin, which is a faux leather, forked leather. It's not real leather. This uses foam padding, which is apparently polygonal fusion foam padding, and sweat wicking moisture liner there. It's got elastic straps and it's got a quick, easy hook and loop. So yeah, I'll put this on. This is going to be a pretty short video. Basically, we can have a quick look at the shin guard. It's got that kind of black on black detail that RDX uses if you go for the black option. Obviously, you've got your foot guard as well. Then you've got a strap on the top, a strap for kind of behind your calf, a strap for closer towards your foot, and then also your foot. So I'm going to put this on right now. I actually need to figure out which one's for which foot, so give me a moment. So that's like, hold on. Yeah, right, so basically I put this on here. I know it's, tell you what, give me a second. So putting the shin guard on is very easy. These are my first pair of shin guards that I've ever had, as I've only boxed before, but now I'm getting into MMA and the more kickboxing side. Yeah. So you've got that part at the top of your leg, and I should have actually undone this before. But there is also a middle part for behind your calf, like I said. To put these on, give me a moment. So you're meant to undo that first, by the way, as you can see. So put this on here. There we go. And now this elastic middle part just tightens it around your leg a little bit more. And then you've got the one for nearer to your ankle. Excuse me, I've got a cold. And put your foot through. Give me a second, guys. There you have it. There's the shin guard on. So they're pretty comfortable, as you can see. They fit me well. I stand up in them. I do have my RDX shorts on at the moment. Actually, that wasn't intentional. But there's a look at the shin guard. I need to practice my balance as well for kicks. But there's ample range of movement, as you can see. It's nice fitting. I can move my foot plenty enough for movement and stepping. It's fine. No restriction for kicks. Feels very comfortable. But yeah, there's my review of these RDX F6 Kara Shin Instep Shin Guards. I'm going to have a review of a pair of gloves I've just got as well, boxing gloves. They'll be up after this one, and yeah, go check them out. Thank you very much, guys. The gloves I'm going to be reviewing are the Hayabusa T6 Tokushoes, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit, so take care.